Jessie? Hello everyone. Well, it's morning. Well, yeah, it is 8 o'clock in the morning, and I have a big boy here, insistent on venturing out this morning, but not that way, Jess. Not that way, buddy. You can go down. Asking a carpet python to go down is like breaking their right arm, you could say. So, I have to move this snake tree over. Here I go again. You may not be able to see too much, but I shall move somehow. Move this. I have so many things in this room, but you can certainly use this. I hope. Come on, dude. This way, not underneath. Too many wires for you. If you just make your way up onto this, I will really appreciate it. He most definitely wants to come out. Can you see it, darling? Can you see it up here? You can? Come on. Good boy. Make your way over. Oh. Come on. That's a boy. Do you remember it? Excuse me while the camera goes all over the place, but I often say to people that snakes, they remember things. Now, Jesse has only been on this climber once in his life, so which was a few days ago, but it just amazes me that they have that memory recall of an object or a place or the routine that they're actually able to get into and remember that routine or that particular thing or that particular object. So for me, seeing Jesse remember is like, thankfully. So it's more about him being that goofy boy that, you know, I have so much, although I don't want him deciding that another direction is where he wants to go, because he wants to go actually up, and I haven't really set this up greatly for him, but I will help him at this particular point to up here, up this way. Come on, you can get up. I know you can, if you really chose to. Hang on. I need another camera person more than you know when it comes to snakes, and they go this direction, they go that direction, they go another direction, and when you've got the camera in your hand, you can't exactly move them or help them, you could say, without having to put the camera down and or just miss that part completely, because turn off the camera and do what it is that you need to do with them. I do want to take Jesse outside at this particular point, just in case he may need to use the bathroom, as I say. He's not really due for a feed, so this is more about him being out the other day and remembering he was out, and he's not letting go at this particular point. He's keeping himself firmly connected to his enclosure and just using his head to investigate things at this particular point. But I do know he wants to go up on this and make his way up high. Are you going to do it now? Because I know you could do it if you really wanted to. Okay? I know you can do it. So come on. Get yourself further on. That's just a brick so that the whole thing doesn't topple over with your weight. And even Lily's weight. Lily was on it yesterday, and yeah, it was kind of a little bit tipsy to one side. And I certainly don't want that happening, because then it would scare the snake, and a likelihood of them not wanting to be on it, knowing that it's not sturdy for them. So the point I will make is to make sure that if you do something for them to climb on, you know that they're safe enough on that particular thing to climb, and they're not going to fall off it. It's not going to fall over. Apart from the fact that, yes, you could hurt the snake, but you will frighten the snake, and then they will avoid it. They just won't go near it. Hey, Jess, what do you think? Hey? You going to come out? I know it's the floor, but you need to get yourself further out, and then I can possibly help lift you to go up further or go up higher. But I'm sure you can. You're backing away. Okay, second shelf, and then you should be able to use the wood. Hey, no. Yep, go higher. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. No, not so sure. Go on. That's the way. Well done. Now you'll find a way to get up the top, I'm sure. And they'll figure it out eventually, all by themselves, of course. More important to me is that he's had his little explore down there. No, that's not where I go. No, I'm not going. Yep, this is where I need to go, is up on this so-called artificial snake tree. And that's what it is. It's completely artificial, but it completely works for them. So use your imagination and create something that they can familiarise themselves with and that they will get used to. Now Jessie has to figure out, how do I get from this particular shelf and get up to this second shelf area? Now I really do not want to help him, because No, you're not going to fit. See, can I get my nose through here and use this as a support? No. But he can, because there are branches over there that I'm sure he could use. And he right now is going through that thinking process of how do I get higher. I've got myself this far, but I know that there's a next level up here and I've just got to figure it out. Or he might just hang on that second shelf for a while, because sometimes it's just nice to get out of their enclosure as well, though I know he's going to want to explore and go up. Lily would do something like this, get on that second shelf and curl up and have a nap. But right now she has a totally full belly, along with all my little ones. The only one that I have to feed yet is Ishi, and then feeding is done, and now I have to put in a new order for feeders as well. So I'm just going to leave Jessie there, and he'll figure it out. It'll take him a little while. Kind of not. Is he going to know? How do I get up? And remembering, he's not a little snake. He's quite a big boy. So the way in which he needs to make his way up would be completely different. One of my little snakes could use this particular area and get themselves up. Jessie, not so much. So, but he's got to use his brain. Come on, think about it, dude. All right? If you bring yourself out further and then look up there, you'll be able to do it. Wouldn't you? Hey? So, from Jessie and myself, you take care. Talk again soon. Oh, where you going? Where you going? Ciao.